truck, Papa's photographic equipment into a truck, and our piggy banks off the mantel in the living room. Mignon started to say something. Mama put her hands over her head, on her lips, and told her not to speak anything. So at any rate, they took whatever furniture, whatever belongings you had that they wanted, and they loaded them on a truck. Prior to that, they had tied my father's hands behind him and my grandfather's hands behind him. And at gunpoint, they took them out of the front, marched them out of the front door.
Picked up my uncle, and the fires were burning. The streets were just littered with refuse and everything, and all the buildings were burning right down Greenwood Street. Shooting, you hear shooting going on back in the distance.
I know why we were marching from Greenwood and Pine down to the convention hall. Those home guards every once in a while would shoot down at your feet. Walk up. Hot as blazes outside too. They tell you to hurry up. And from Pine and Greenwood, if you know where it is, you've got to go to Cincinnati to go down to the convention hall. And we had to go all over that way, marching, just droves of us. And those police going along with you, telling you to hurry up, hot as it was that day.
Now, when this happened, the mayor and city council at that time shut down the railroads, all telegraph wires, phone systems, and everything. Nothing coming in or out
Small world.
until the next day. And they wouldn't even let the Red Cross come in until 2 or 3 days later.
My mother learned through the Muskogee Daily Phoenix that there was a riot in Tulsa and that there were many casualties. For some days she did not know whether my father was living or dead. She finally got a note from him saying that he was unharmed, but that he had been detained in Convention Hall for several days. He said that he could not bring us to Tulsa. The whole town where we would live had been devastated by fires and by murders and by all kinds of activities that prevented a normal procedure in that part of the community.
The damage that was done was not only material things, a house destroyed, the entire neighborhood destroyed, the businesses destroyed, all the services destroyed. Our school bombed on the day that we should have been getting our report cards to move up to the next class, so that the children of Tulsa were very devastated. With me, the trauma of a young 6-year-old girl hearing things hitting the house, bum, 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 like that, and thinking it was hail, until my mother took me to the window and let me peer through the blinds and said, "That thing up there on the stand with the American flag on top of it is a machine gun, and those are bullets hitting the house, and that means your country is shooting at you."